just got it today and I unboxed it. I washed a load of towels and already the spinner is freaking leaking. I'm so upset because I really thought this was going to work for me and my children, and it's literally like, look, and I have stuff sticking to my shoes walking around trying to get it up, and I tried to use this mat and now it's soaking wet. Look at that. Soaking wet. Drying my towels, my children's towels. I'm drying towels now. I have my children's towels in there. This is just like absolutely ridiculous. I'm really upset. I feel like I just wasted my money, and I have been waiting for days, and they finally came today, and this is like what I'm getting. I'm horribly upset because what do I do? What do I do? I'm not in a house, I'm in an apartment. I do not recommend getting this. I mean, you can get one because it does work, but make sure you just check the spinner out first. Like, if it's not working, just immediately call or something, because I'm just highly upset. I messed up my Ugg boots dealing with this situation, like, because I had to wash, I had to rinse, I had to re-rinse again, and then in those time I spin twice, and then this is my final spin. And yeah, like I said, everything is still on here. I just got it today. Today is the 14th.
Put the drain hose there. I put it here in my shower. The cord isn't long enough, so you gotta use an extension cord, but it's pretty straightforward. I put it in 15 minutes and I filled it with the shower head. Hot water, it filled up pretty fast. I have 3 dog pads in there that are filthy dirty, and it's perfect, I think. It's not loud, not any louder than my brand new Whirlpool washer. And then this is the spinner. I can come and make a video for that. I can fit for sure 2 in there. Anyways, it's good for the job. I just wanted a washer to wash my dog's urinated pee pads. And they're 34 by 34. Pretty impressive and good size. I'm just going to keep it here in my spare bathroom.
So I ordered this washer to wash my guinea pig stuff because I live in an apartment and I don't want hay in everybody's washer. It's big enough where I could put the big guinea pig mats, and then I can rinse as much as I want. It has like a timer here, and here you have gentle, normal, drain, and here you have the spin cycle. It spins well. It's good. You have to make sure you put the tube in the sink. It's quite small, but it's big enough to put big mats or even a big winter coat. The spinning tub is a bit smaller, so if you put something really big in here, you can't necessarily spin it. But there's other ways. You do it by hand and you hang it to dry. But good purchase, and I would repurchase if this one goes to heaven.
dry cycle. If you open it, it does stop, as you see, so that's a good safety. But look how crazy this thing moves. It has moved so much. I push it back. And as you see, it's already coming off the wall. And it's slowing down now.